life-saving medicines, which has been really manufactured with a very limited companies and very rare product available in the market. And due to that monopoly, we want to come up with the range of this product at very affordable and competitive price for our people. And like in this current pandemic COVID situation, also in winter, also in rainy season, really patient need these medicines on very high time. So that is the reason Chandrika Aadhar is very happy to launch this product for our people, our nation and our India at very affordable price at Chandrika Aadhar stores.
That comes as a Swasthya Fit 5G, Swasthya Fit 11G and Swasthya Biotin. It is a complete package will take care of your full growth and full nutrition to your body. So here we'll start with the Swasthya Fit 5G. Swasthya Fit 5G, it comes under a very unique packing with a unique carton. You can see it here. It's a unique carton and it is a soft gelatin formulation. It has a 5G, means five natural ingredients are mixed to give the 5 effect to your body. That comes eye, brain, your bone strength, your muscle strength and your heart. So it is a complete nutrition. You can take a capsule per day or a twice to get the best effect. The next product, in addition to 5G, we have a Swasthya Fit 11G also. It has a mixture of 11 natural herb like that, glycyrrhiza, ginkgo biloba, licorice and various antioxidants. It gives a unique strength to your body. As per the lifestyle, today's lifestyle, people are losing the deficiencies and they are getting the lack of micronutrients. In that case, we have launched this a complete package, Swasthya Fit 11G. With this, I have a very unique product. All the ladies will like it. That is Swasthya Biotin. As everybody knows, biotin is a combination. Biotin is a nutrition which is required for a best skin, best hair and best nails. So skin, hair and nail, this is a concept which is going on in the US because from your skin, your hair and your nails, people are finally knowing your health, how is your internal health. So to protect your skin, hair and your nail strength, this is a Swasthya Biotin, which is a combination of multivitamin, multi-mineral and an antioxidant. Antioxidant, it covers all your free radicals of the body and give you more strength. So Swasthya Biotin is a highly recommended product. All of the 3 top formulation recommended from our market survey, we have designed these products and now they are available at Chandrika Aadhar store.
So at Chandrika Aadhar, all the products were highly sold or highly demand products. But from all of the products, I will personally say this 2 kind of products like linseed oil was for the pain management, was highly sold in each and every Chandrika Aadhar franchisee, and there was a high demand from the senior citizens especially because we all the pharmacists over here or all the senior citizens, we have taken the response that this linseed oil have given them a real relief and it have created an impact for their bone pain. And this one of the product azithromycin was also highly demanded in COVID-19 pandemic. All the other companies were selling this necessary medication, life-saving medication for around 150 or 200 rupees in the black marketing and all the same. At Chandrika Aadhar, we have made this product available because that was a need of an hour. And in COVID-19 pandemic at Chandrika Aadhar, we have to serve the nation. And for us, our country is first, our people are first.
I really feel proud and would like to